Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the letter M, N, and enye. Let's begin with the letter M. In Spanish, M. M. This letter has the same M sound as in English. And with the vowels, it sounds like this. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Again, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. That is how we pronounce them. Some examples. Mar, mar. Sí. Mentira, mentira. Lie, miel, miel. Honey, moda, moda. Fashion, mundo, mundo. World. Let's move on to the letter N. In Spanish, enye. Enye. And it has the same sound as in English, the N sound. With the vowels. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Again, na, ne, ni, no, nu. And that is how we pronounce them. Some examples. Naturaleza, naturaleza. Nature. Nevada, nevada. Snowfall. Nido, nido. Nest. Noche, noche. Night. Nube, nube. Cloud. Let's move on to the last letter for this lesson, the letter enye. This letter is not part of the English alphabet, it's only in the Spanish one. The enye sounds ñ, ñ. The enye with the vowels sounds like this. Ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Again together. Ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. And that is how you pronounce the enye with the vowels. These are some examples. Ñandú, ñandú. Rear. Muñeca, muñeca. Doll. Compañía, compañía. Company. Baño, baño. Bathroom. New, new. Wildebeest. Now, some people question if you need to use the enye. Well, let me give you an example. The Spanish word año translates to year. Now, if instead of the enye you just put an ene there, it will say ano, which translates to anus. So, as you can see, the enye is very important. Now, let's take the exit ticket before you go. You will have 3 seconds to read in Spanish the following exercises. Mentira. Nevada. Ñandú. Muñeca. noche. I hope you did great. And I know that now you know the importance of the letter enye for words in Spanish. I hope to see you in the next lesson.